Hello, it's Max again from Fyne Audio, and I'm so pleased to be back with our friends in Dallas Sound Organization. Today I'd like to talk to you about our flagship F1 product, which is a culmination of lots of years work and vision from the Fyne Audio team, especially Dr. Paul Mills, our head of acoustic design. What is the F1? Well, it's our flagship model. It's the first speaker we ever made, hence F1, and we actually utilize this double roll surround multi-fiber 10-inch cone with the ISO flare design. So it's a point source drive unit. The voice is coming from one point, a little bit like my voice coming from my vocal cords. So the time alignment of the sound radiating from the loudspeaker is always absolutely spot on, and the imaging is tremendous. Even slightly off axis, the imaging of this product is utterly superb. This is a no compromise model. The quality of the components we use are absolutely top notch. Everything is designed, everything is made in-house. The point source drive unit and its multi-fiber paper cone, it terminates its energy because of the double roll surround. The HF energy radiates out from the point. It's a point source drive unit. It's a compression driver, so it actually squeezes the HF frequencies and throws them out. Okay, so what is a bass tracks diffuser? Well, it actually has Tractrix properties which go back to the 1600s, and even Sir Isaac Newton did some work on the Tractrix design. It's a mathematical formula. It's like a cone where the energy, the air, if you like, comes out the exhaust of the loudspeaker at the bottom, hits the top of the mountain or the Tractrix diffuser, and it turns that plane wave or straight line energy, spins it into 360 degrees. A little bit like throwing a pebble into a lake or a loch Fyne, if you like. So you get the rings, the energy radiating out in a controlled manner. What does this mean? It means control. It means you minimize the boundary effect, even on the larger loudspeaker, and you can get this surprisingly close to the wall because it really tightens up that bass energy. As a musician myself, I've always been quite dialed into the bass notes, the kick drum, the punch, and the integration between the bass drum and the bass guitar, and the separation and the detail that this design that the bass tracks diffuser gives is honestly something else. As we look at the controls on the front of the loudspeaker, we can fine-tune, excuse the pun, the HF energy and also the presence within the crossover. The components are actually cryogenically frozen. We deep freeze the components to de-stress. The tolerances are so tight on these things, but cryogenically freezing them actually de-stresses the components, makes them more resilient, keeps the quality high, which is what this F1 product is all about. So moving on to the F700 series, there's 5 speakers in the range. This is the middle one, the 702. It's a composite birch ply laminate cabinet, a little bit like the flagship F1 product. Very high quality, extremely well braced cabinet, available in piano finishes, 3 piano finishes: walnut, piano black and piano white. If we take the removable grill off, invisible magnets again, you can see our isoflare drive unit, again with the fine fluting around the perimeter, which helps terminate that cone energy. It's a compression drive unit, so it's squeezing the HF frequencies. The time alignment on this product is superb. Everything's designed in-house, everything's developed in-house. In Scotland, we make all our own drive units. If I was to take one of these out and you looked at the back, it's a die-cast aluminum product, and you will see the Fyne Audio logo stamped into it. The detailing is quite exquisite. A little bit like the flagship F1 product we talked about earlier. If you go down through the cabinet, you eventually arrive at the bass tracks diffuser at the bottom, which helps control that low frequency energy. So the 702 product is really brand new to the market, but already it's just received a glowing accolade. Hi-Fi Choice magazine has just given it so many stars, I can't even begin to count them, for build quality, for performance, for sound quality. It's like 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. It's absolutely incredible. We're very happy. We're very proud of this product. For more information about Fyne Audio in the US, please contact the Sound Organisation.